Hello there, welcome. Now let me ask you this. What if in the next 30 days you could create a flawless luxury lock wig, one that looks like it's going right out of the scalp, and sell it for $500 or more, even if you've never braided a mannequin head in your entire life? That's exactly what I'm here to show you. My name is Chide Baba, and a few years ago, I was just like you, searching for answers, struggling to figure out how to make natural looking lock wigs. I had clients asking for wigs that looked like real locks, but every attempt I made came out looking bulky and unnatural. I couldn't find tutorials. I failed a lot, but eventually, after months of trial and error, I cracked the code. When I finally sent my first natural looking wig to a client in Sweden, she said, "Wow, this is it." And that moment changed everything. Fast forward to today, I've sold thousands of wigs, trained my team, and now I'm teaching others how to build a flexible, profitable wig business from home. Here's the truth. You don't need salon experience. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need years of practice. What you do need is a proven system, and that's exactly why I created the Lock Week Boss course, a step-by-step program that takes you from total beginner to confident Lock Week creator in 30 days or less. Now let me show you what I mean. Now, the mistake a lot of persons make, which was the same mistake I used to make initially, was to braid the hair first, the hair on the full lace unit, braid it down, and then afterwards start to wrap it around, get loose hair and wrap it around the base where you braided, and at the end you have something bulky. Now, the right way to do it is to lock the base of the hair first. Get your lock extension and place it just after the point where your locking ended, and then you start to lock. So you're not going to extend your lock extension to the base of the full lace wig. As you lock, you rotate slightly, rotating in one direction. So if you choose to rotate to your left, continue with your left all through. If you are rotating to your right, continue to your right all through. So we started with our right, okay? So you keep locking. As you are locking your, remember we started our rotation to the right. So we're going to continue that way. So take note of the way I'm holding my crochet hook. This is what you're going to get. This is the end result. You see the smooth transition and it looks so natural. Now, if you continue this way, I can assure you you're going to come out with something so beautiful as this. Inside, you'll learn how to section and lock the base of your wig for that seamless natural look, how to attach the extensions the right way so your wigs don't have those bulky roots, how to make different styles from traditional lock wigs to micro locks, sister locks, even men's dreadlock toupees. Plus, how to finish and style your wigs so they look flawless and sell fast. The full value of everything inside is over $3,000, but you won't be paying anywhere near that. For a limited time, you get the full Lock Wig Boss course for $159. And because I'm committed to your success, you will also get lifetime access, future updates, and my personal support inside our community. But here's the catch. I can only take 30 students at this price. Once those thoughts are gone, I honestly don't know when I'll reopen enrollment. So now, imagine this. 30 days from today, you've created your first lock wig, you've sold it for $500, friends are begging you to make them one, and suddenly you're not just learning a skill, you're building a business that funds your freedom. If that sounds like your next chapter, click the button below right now to enroll. You have nothing to lose because if you follow the system and don't get results within 30 days, I'll refund your money. Now go ahead, click the button and join us inside Lock Week Boss. Let's turn your crochet hook into cash flow.